Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating Helsinki and Espoo night bus timeline 235N, which runs from Elinaukio to Espoon Keskus. And without further delays, let's start with the line. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. So we start here, we stop there, we start there, and in between happens a lot of things. We first stop at Hesperian Puisto, then we stop at Töölön Halli, and then at Kansaneläkelaitos. After Kansaneläkelaitos, we stop at Töölön Tulli, and then we stop at, oh no, not that stop, sorry, we stop at this stop of Töölön Tulli. Then we stop at Kuusitie, we stop at Tilkka, and then we stop at Ruskesuo. And at Ruskesuon Varikko, I already know we're turning this way. Then we stop at Talontie, and then at Kutomotie, then at Takomotie, and then at Talin Siirtola-Puutarha, then at Takkatie, and then at Pitemäki Station. So far, so good. Then we stop at Henrikintie, we stop at Mäkkylä, at Kalkipellomäki, at Puustelimäki. Then let's see. Then we stop at this Leppävaaran Keskus stop, which is in the wrong place. I'm sorry about that. That was my mistake. Then we stop at Gransimenportti. We will stop at Kilonkartano. We will stop at okay, we'll stop at Leppäsilta, and then at Pääskyskuja and Leppälinnun rinne, at Poutahaukan polku, at Karakallion kuja, at Karakallion keskus. Then we'll stop here, and then at Karan Risti. That stop, the previous stop, isn't really included in this line, but I added it anyway. Then we stop at Rajamenty, at Kavallimäki, and then we stop at Kuusiniemi, then at Petas, and now things happen because we will need to create some stops. Actually, I think one full stop. I will have to go to the Swedish-speaking map now, which will load because I haven't been creating in a while. I've been out traveling. So all the videos you saw last week were pre-recorded. Sorry for that. So the following stop that's Grennes, and then the following stop is Petas. So that's Petas, that's done, dealt with, and then we will have Ingas. And Ingas is located in here. There we have Ingas. There we go. Oops, not those signals. These signals. This is what we need. After Ingas, we will then stop at a stop called Jorvi. Jorve, which is located in here. That's right, it's called Jorvi. Now let's give it a Swedish-speaking name. There we go. And I actually think I know which video I'm going to create next, because I think I have now all the missing pieces to it. Surprise, surprise! Waiting for you. So that is Jorvi, and after Jorvi, we will then stop at Bemböle. So now we've connected this sort of new stretch of track with the existing road. Sorry about that, road with the existing stretch of a road. So let's build that, and then let's go back to the line. And after Petas, we will stop at Ingas, we will stop at Jorvi, and we will stop at Bemböle. After Bemböle, we will stop at where was I? That was Bemböle. Then we have Fallåke, and then we have Espoo. Then we have Lommila, and this will make it an interesting turn. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna stop in here. It's for, well, because the stop this way is not located in there, there would be no stop, but there will be a stop now. So let's build the blueprints and let's go back to lines. And after Lehtimäki, we will then stop at Nimismiehen Pelto. That's right. Then at Nimismiehen Mäki. Then at Muuralan Kumpu. At Muuralan Silta. At Mikkelsinkuja. Oh, there is no turn this way yet, so let's add another turn here. No. Don't cross the lines, you idiot. That's much better. So there we go, the following stop is at the Pitäjän Portti. And then we stop at, let's see, Espoo Station. So much for that night time bus line, and then let's go all the way back to Helsinki following this line. Sorry about that. So there we are. That was the line. Then let's see how often it runs. It runs every, let's see, loading. It runs every hour. Right. So let's open it for a passenger service. Let's find the previous bus we've bought, and let's Clonish. So that's it, number 670 it is. And then, after making it a number 670, it will run line 235N. And we're going to need 3 of these in order to have a satisfactory service level. So 1 more it shall be, and that's it. So, roads have been built, lines have been created, buses have been bought, and everything is ready, set, go. There will be a new video tomorrow, so until then, bye!